What is up, my beautiful babes and babes of the world? It's your girl Keelan, aka Itskeilynnn, and I'm back with another mother freaking video.
Perfect, she don't understand. She's worth it. All that beauty goes deeper than the surface. Don't be afraid to catch fish. Red dressed up and chase through.
Now, today's intro is different. Obviously, I have a full face of makeup on, but I'm still going to be doing a makeup look. If you guys want to see how I achieve this gorgeous blue Aquarius look, keep on watching and let's get into this video. So as you guys can see, I've already done the base of the face and my right eye. So I'm going to move and go straight into the left eye. So I'm going to take my Jim's Charles palette and I'm going to go into Punch Me, and I'm going to add that as a transition color. Now that I have that as my transition color, I'm going to go into Beans, and I'm going to add that onto or in the crease to create some definition. I'm going to go in this dark blue here, and I'm just going to go and add that on the inner and outer corner of my eye to start that halo. So now that we have that, I'm going to take this light blue here and I'm going to add it in the center of my eye where that, obviously, the halo is. So now that blue is in the center, I'm going to go ahead and take this metallic blue right next to it. It looks really good. It looks gorgeous. I've already swatched it for this eye, and I'm just going to add that on top of that lighter blue. I'm going to go ahead and add the glitter. Now, y'all, the glitter is my favorite part. I decided to use the blue glitter with the silver glitter with blue just to make a gorgeous contrast. You don't have to do this. It just, to me, looks really good together. So now I'm just going to go ahead and prep my eyes for eyelashes off camera, and I'll see you guys in a second. So now that I have both lashes on, it is now time to smoke out the under eye and add a highlight on the inner corner. So first I'm just going to take that light blue that I use in the center of my eye and just smoke out the bottom lash line there. I'm going to go ahead and add a ring light in the inner corner of my eye to give it that pop of highlight. So now it's time to add blush, and I'm just going to go ahead and go in with Great, and I'm just going to blush the apples of my cheeks. So now that I have blush, it is now time for highlight. Now for highlight, I'm going to use this highlighter bar by Wet n Wild. It is in the shade 688 or Water. It's actually from the Zodiac palette. This is from the, I can't remember. It's not the Earth one, but it's I think the Water one. I think that's what it is. And it actually has all the Zodiac signs in it. It is really cool if you ask me. So I'm just gonna highlight do my normal highlight routine with the blue instead of actually an actual color. So now that I have this, you can obviously stop here, but I'm gonna go a little step further. Now I have this Great Lash by Maybelline, and it's in blue, and I honestly am not gonna use it for my eyelashes because I have on falsies, but I do want to add faux freckles just because I've never, you know, done anything like this. So I'm going to add blue faux freckles to my face. So I'm just taking some of the, you know, the mascara off of this, and I'm going to transfer it over here, and I'm just gonna do it, do light, you know, freckles on to starting on the nose just to see how I like it. So now that we have our faux freckles, it was a little too blue, so what I did is I just took my beauty blender from the leftover makeup that I have and just added that on top of it to dial the blue down a little bit. I'm going to add my lipstick. Now I have been obsessed with this hard candy lipstick, and I also like to pair it with my NYX pencil, but I can't seem to find it. I'm always losing it. Well, I guess I won't be pairing it with it today, but this is in the shade Gelato, and I just love this, and it's a gorgeous pink, so I thought, why not use it in this video. Now I'm going to stop here with this look just because you can stop here, or you can add, you know, the zodiac sign. I think for this look I've done a lot to the face, so I'm just gonna stop here and add setting spray. And this, guys, is the completed look. Don't forget to like this video, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on that bell notification so you can see when I post next. Also, follow me. My social medias will be on in the corner here. Always remember to stay classy and a little bit trashy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Yes, I'm recording.
Follow me on the gram, Davion 3 times.
And this, guys, is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow. Wow, I created this gorgeous Aquarius look for you guys. If you guys liked it, or if you guys want to know how I
Okay, my intuition never lies. There's nothing you can never hide. Already got this.